ようこそ皆さん。ようこそ。フィルシー・フランクショーへ。今日はすごい面白いものを教えてやるよ。俺のクローゼットの中にユダヤ人が2人いるんだ。両方とも死んでる。What it do, everybody? It's your boy Franco again. Now today I want to talk about an issue that affects us on a global scale. Airplane instruction videos from the 80s. Oh my gosh!
Hello, welcome aboard. As we prepare for departure, we ask that you pay close attention to the following important information about the Lockheed 1011 aircraft. All of your carry-on items should be securely stowed underneath the seat in front of you, or in the enclosed overhead compartment.
Wow, show me right now, please.